This is a quick recap video of chapter Physical World. So now first is let's start from science. Science is a systematized and organized knowledge about the various natural phenomena which is obtained by careful experimentation, keen observation and accurate reasoning. It has main two branches. First is physical science and second is biological science. Physical science, these science deals with the properties and behavior of non-living things. Biological science, these sciences deals with the behavior of living things. Now, what is physics? The word physics come from a Greek word which means nature. Physics is the study of natural laws and their manifestation in the natural phenomena. It deals with the concept of space, time, motion, matter, energy, radiation, etc. Now, chemistry. Chemistry is the study of every substance, its structure, its composition, and changes in which it takes part. Now, scientific attitude. Scientific attitude requires a flexible, open-minded approach towards solving problem in which the other important points of view are not neglected. Now, scientific method. The step-by-step approach used by a scientist in studying natural phenomena and establishing laws which govern these phenomena is called scientific method. It involves the step like first experimentation and observation, second formation of hypothesis, third verification of hypothesis, and fourth one is theoretical predictions. Now, scientific theory. Theory is the name given to a set of limited number of laws in terms of which the behavior of a physical system can be explained. And then physics is an exact science. It is because of high precision and accuracy obtainable in the measurement of physical quantities. Physics is a basic science because of its important role played in the development of life, science, medicine, technology, and industry. Physics is considered as the most basic of all the science. Now, physics and mathematics. Mathematics has proved to be the most important tool in the development of physics. Now, here are some branches of physics. First is mechanics. It deals with the slow motion or equilibrium of material bodies. Optics. It deals with the nature and propagation of light. Thermodynamics. It deals with the change in internal energy, temperature, entropy, etc. of the macroscopic system through external work and heat. Fourth one is electrodynamics. Electrodynamics, it deals with electric and magnetic phenomena associated with charged and magnetic bodies. And last one is quantum mechanics. It deals with the mechanical behavior of atoms, molecules, and nuclei. Now, these are some terms you should understand. First is relativity. It deals with the particles having speeds comparable to the speed of light, which is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. It is the theory of invariance in nature. Now, physics, technology, and science, these all are interrelated. Sometimes physics generate new technology. At other times, technology give rise to new physics. Both have a direct impact on society. Now, scope of physics. The scope of physics is truly very vast. It covers a wide range of magnitude of physical quantities such as mass, length, time, energy, etc. Now, basic quests in physics. The two basic quests in modern physics are first unification and second reductionism. These have resulted in great advances in physics. Now, this is the most important topic of this chapter, which is fundamental forces in nature. Basically, there are four fundamental forces in nature. This is a comparison uh, between these all four. Now, talking about first, gravitational force. It is a force of mutual attraction between two bodies by the virtue of their masses. It obeys Newton's law of gravitation. It is caused by the exchange of particles called gravitons. Now, second is electromagnetic force. It is a force due to the interaction between two moving charges. It is caused by the exchange of photons between two charged particles. Third one is strong nuclear force. It is the strongest attractive interaction which binds together the protons and neutrons in a nucleus. Electrons do not experience this force. Now, the fourth one is a weak nuclear force. It is the force that appears only between elementary particles involved in a nuclear process, such as the beta decay of nucleus. It is caused by the exchange of vector bosons. Now, isolated system. Any system on which no external force acts is called isolated system. Universe is the most ideal isolated system possible. Now, law of conservation of energy. It states that the total energy of an isolated system remains constant. It follows from the nature's symmetry called homogeneity of time. Next is law of conservation of linear momentum. It states that if no external force acts on a system, then its total linear momentum remains constant. It follows from nature's symmetry called homogeneity of space. And next one is law of conservation of angular momentum. It states that if no external torque acts on a system, then its angular momentum remains constant. It follows from nature's symmetry called isotropy of space. And the last one is law of conservation of charge. It states that the total charge of an isolated system remains constant. Thank you.